Ezekiel is a pivotal book in the Old Testament, offering profound insights into the exile experience of the Israelites. This presentation will explore its historical context, key themes, and the prophetic messages that continue to resonate today.
Written during the Babylonian exile, Ezekiel's prophecies reflect the struggles and hopes of the Jewish people. The book addresses the political and spiritual turmoil of the time, emphasizing the need for restoration and renewal.
Ezekiel's prophetic journey begins with a dramatic vision of God's glory in a chariot of fire. This experience emphasizes his role as a messenger and the importance of obedience to God's will throughout his ministry.
The book is rich in symbolism, using vivid imagery and metaphors to convey its messages. Key symbols include the dry bones, representing spiritual resurrection, and the temple, signifying God's presence among his people.
Ezekiel frequently addresses themes of judgment against Israel's idolatry and injustice. However, intertwined with these messages are promises of restoration, highlighting God's unwavering covenant with his people.
Ezekiel introduces the concept of a new covenant, emphasizing a future where God's laws will be written on the hearts of his people. This prophetic vision lays the groundwork for the messianic hope in later texts.
Ezekiel is appointed as a watchman for Israel, tasked with warning the people of impending judgment. This role underscores the responsibility of prophets to guide and protect the community through their messages.
One of Ezekiel's most famous visions involves a valley filled with dry bones. This powerful imagery represents the restoration of Israel and God's ability to bring life to the spiritually dead.
The primary themes of Ezekiel include judgment, restoration, divine sovereignty, and the glory of God. These themes interconnect to form a comprehensive understanding of God's relationship with his people.
The book of Ezekiel offers profound insights into God's character and his plans for humanity. Understanding its themes of judgment and restoration provides valuable lessons for contemporary faith and community life.